Hi dear students, very happy to see you here. Today the weather is going on very chill and it's really cool. Don't come outside. It is a advice for you all my Progress family students and parents. Let me wish you first, wish you a happy 74th Independence Day and make this prosperous nation unite we grow, divide we fall. That we have to learn from that we can learn many more things. We have to remember the freedom fighters sacrifice. We have to remember the things of martyr and who fought for the country, and they expected the generation and the growth of their movements in the freedom fight. So they expected the future generation beneficiary. They fought for that and they have given their blood. They sacrifice their lives for the nation. So that is the spirit we have to inculcate in our band, and we have to show that uh, we are carriers of the blood fighters, really, that they have given a great spirit to us. So we have to remember that. So tribute for the national real heroes and superheroes for the freedom fighters. Today's evening 4 o'clock, you have to sing a national anthem within 56, and you can practice that and you can send him in WhatsApp group. Okay my dears, let's start the topic. Verb. Today's topic is verb. Okay my dears, verb. What is verb? Just we can see now. A verb is a word that indicated an action, event, state or position. Yes. Here is also one more mistake is occurred. We can see that a verb indicates, a verb indicates, yes, right there. A verb is a word that indicates an action, event, state or position. Again, action, event, state or position. See my dear, what is action, what is event, what is state or what is position? By examples I have given there, and you can see that what a person does, what is a person is, what is done to the person, what a person poses. The four are very important. Again I am telling you that what a person is, what a person does, what a person poses, what is done to the person. These four are very very important. Person or thing, whatever it is. Now let's come to the first point. A verb may tell us what a person or thing does. For example, she teaches us English. She is a subject and teaches is a verb. So verb indicates an action of person. Who is that? Our English teacher, Mary madam. Okay, Ratna Mary madam teaches us English. Raja sir teaches us English. If you can think like that, an action indicates a verb. An action indicates a verb to a person. Who is the person here? She or he. So he teaches us English or she teaches us English. Important. What a person does, teaching. What a person does, teaches. So the teaches is verb here, the first kind of one. Mr. Monas teaches us English. Here is also one more mistake occurred, so that I am erasing that and I can write with another letter us, so that you can see there. Harry plays and Sravanti drinks, and so many examples we can take like that. Okay my dears. And next one is what a person is. What a person is. Does it mean it can denote the state? Here before we have seen the event. Now it can state. State does it mean it is nothing but a condition. What is the condition of a person? He is in poor health. He is in a poor health. He is in poor health. Does it mean his health is not good? He is carrying ill health, or he is suffering from ill health. So that we can say he is in poor health. Okay. Rishiraj is a clever boy. Glass is brittle. Glass is brittle. Okay. What we are learning now? What a person is, what a thing is. Does it mean what a thing is? Glass is brittle. Glass is brittle means glass is very sensible thing it is. If you fall down, if it is slipped from your hands, it may be broken. Yes. So that the glass is brittle. We are learning that. Yes. Cover of that book is pale. That is a pale book. When you buy a new book, the cover pages are knitted with thick color, but when you can find that after 3 or 4 months, you can find some pale color. Yes my dear. So early in the morning our faces are very fresh to see, but in the evening time when it is faded, when the time is going, our faces will be faded. Does it mean it is in a fade shape or fade color? Fade doesn't mean tired, not seems well, not in thick. So that we can say that what a person is or what a thing is. So that bag is good, that condition is good, that state is good, that is a good conditioned bag, so that we can say that the bag state is really good. So that is a conditioned bag, that bag is really good. What is done to the person? What is done to the person? If you can see that, what in he is in a poor and teaches, here poor is important. And what is done to the person? The window was broken, or Sarah was forced to do sing in Progress High School, or in Medhavi Junior College, or Vagdevi Engineering College. Yes, my dear. Like that we can see. mm, that was forced, thing was forced, or person was forced, or a thing is to be broken. So that the window was broken. What is broken? Window was broken. What is window? Window is a thing. So that window was broken. Sarah was forced to sing a national anthem. Is it forced to sing a national anthem? No, likely to be sing a song of a national anthem. What is done to a person? So that Joseph was scolded by lecturer, by a teacher, or by a father. Yes, Joseph was scolded by his father. The cycle was repaired. The cycle was repaired by repairer. Who is the person? Yes. Next, what a person or thing possess. What a person or thing possess. We can see that what a person or thing possess. Kavya has a red car. Suma has iPhone. Bhuvana has cell phone. You can see that. Yes, my dear. We can see that with more examples. I can after sorry, we can close that and we can up it to show it very clearly. Yes, my dear. Next, if you can see that, Kavya has a red car, not card, car. I am erasing that. Kavya has a red card. Suma has iPhone. Okay, Suma has iPhone. So these are the example we can take what a person thing poses. Yes. So that Mr. Reddy has Sia's car. Yes, Mr. Reddy has Sia's car. These examples will be taken. What a person own of his account, that we can call possess, or some persons are forced or likely to do that work. But is that thing or person belongs to some other institute or office or family, we can say that possess. He possess the fraud, we can say that. Okay, my dear, sometimes we can use that word also. Mainly, so verbs that we have learned today: event, state, action, and possession. Yes, my dear, that we have seen: state, event, action, and possession. What is a person does, what a person is, what is done to the person, and last one, possession, what a person possess, that we have learned. And now, somewhat deep into the matter, we can. Verbs are two types. Verbs are two types. These are called, one is main verb and another one is auxiliary verb, and these are also called with another names, that is different. Main verb is also called principal or lexical, and auxiliary verb also called helping and grammatical verb. Yes, my dear. So main verb and auxiliary verbs, or principal verbs or helping verbs, we can use. Yes. So where we can see that main verbs, if I can show you in tree diagram, it is not sufficient to see, but it's not a problem. I will explain you more here. Okay. Main verbs and helping verbs. I am showing you here verbs undertaken a arrow mark, and I am seeing you here auxiliary. Yes, my dear. So that it is auxiliary and it is main verbs. Now we can talk about main verbs, and main verbs are mainly three verbs. It is completely based on a verb. A verb shows an action. Here before we remember that an action. Yes, my dear. Here, if we can see that, sorry, here we can see that our structure will be showed like this. So it will be shown. So the main verbs. What are the main verbs? Go, give, call, like that. Does it mean it has based on completely only a verb? Does it mean go, went, gone, give, gave, given, call, called, called, phone, phoned, phoned? Yes, like these words when we go, and these are different again, regular or irregular. Regular verbs, it will come as for example, you can see that regular, for example, it will be done, one person is same and another person is one person is same by that action they are doing, and another verbs are the same. So what we have to say, verbs are one verb is different from one, and the two other verbs are same. For example, if you can see that ascend, ascended, ascended, ascend, ascended, ascended, battle, 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 break, break up, break up, and club, clubbed, clubbed, coach, coached, coached. If we can talk like that, we can have merry. Yes, like that. And another one is also there, that main verb, the base verb is same, again the third verb is also come same, like that we can see that run, ran, run, run, ran, run, sit, sat, sit, sit, sat, sit, like that. So the first one and the third one, the third verbs are same, and the second one is somewhat different. Also that we can have, that is also come, came, come, sit, sat, sit, run, ran, run, like that will be given. Another one is completely three verbs are different words it will give. For example, do, did, done, do, did, done, do, did, done, do, did, done. And another one is uh, here before give, give, gave, given, uh, yes, write, wrote, written. These three are different. Break, broke, broken. Here are three are there, three are same words again, like that. If you can see how it will be, these are completely different. If you can say that, hut, 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 cut, 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 let, put, 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 hut, 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 like that we can have so many, thrust, 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 cast, 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 cost, cost, cost. These are now in different ways. V2 V3 are some are changed now. For example, read, 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 but nowadays we are using readed, readed. Two types of vocabulary and two types of vocal languages are there, so that we are using that. For example, uh, fly, flew, flown, but most of our students will speak somewhat mistakenly, so we should see that it will be not spelled out mistake by us. For example, fly, flew, flown, but fly, flied, flied, we can say, we should not say fly, flied, flied. We have to say fly, flew, flown, draw, drew, drone, like that we have to call, like that. Thrust, 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 telecast, 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 or forecast, 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 upset, set, set, set. So that upset, upset, upset also we can. Wet, but nowadays using wet, 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 but wet, wetted, wetted we are using. Yes, my dears, hope you can understand and you can go through the subject. I have given plenty. If you needed, you can go some more examples with that. Next one, so main verbs, here I have given, actually two we have to learn, but only one is regular, one is regular and another one is irregular, and these are one and two types. And here regular 1 and 2 and 3 are different. Yes, my dear, I told you that 1 and 2, does it mean one verb and another two verbs are same? Here number 1, three verbs are same, three verbs are different, and first, second, thirds are first, third are same, and second one is different. First one we will see, three are same, put, 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 two are same, come, came, come, three are different, go, went, gone. So that here you can see that. Okay, my dear, again, uh, put, 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 come, came, come, go, went, gone. But here is not like that. The first one, how the first one is, the second one also will be there like that. Okay. For example, uh, here before what we discussed, the same ascend, ascended, ascended, break, breaked, breaked, the three are there, break, breaked, breaked, break, broke, broken. The total different, the words are different, we can find in homonyms and homophones, we learn there. Now enter these. mm, Next, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. uh, in this, the primary auxiliaries we can see that primary auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries are three types again. One is uh, mainly uh, we find that do forms, have forms, and be forms. Be forms, here we can see be forms. Uh, simple present, simple present and past, simple continuous tense, completely continuous. B forms are based on or carried by present continuous forms. Okay, my dears, continuous forms, you can see that. Where we can find these, am is are given only in continuous tense. Am is are. I am going, she is going, they are going. Yes, my dear. In nouns, we have learned how the persons are and their singulars and plurals that we have learned there. Here you can see that am, is, are, and being, was, were, been. They have given in this. So we can easily remember by this continuous tense. What is that? Present continuous, past continuous carried these be forms. Yes, for example, I will tell you, instead of a verb, that helping verb will occupy a real verb, act as a real verb. So that is called be forms. You can see there, I am in theater. Where are you? You are not telling anything, but you have pronounced a sentence. You have produced a sentence. That sentence must be a verb. Yes, without a verb, it can't give sense. Yes, my dear, you know that well. So here, what is verb? I am. I am acted as a main verb. I am in movie. I am in leisure. Yes, I am in classroom. I am in kitchen. I am in kitchen. So what it is exactly? So you can find that what you can find here exactly, uh, helping verb act as a main verb, that is from taken continuous is called V forms. You can easily remember that. And next one is do forms. And do forms also you can see here. uh, what is do form in simple present? Simple present and past, uh, does it mean we can see in uh, present, sorry, okay. Do forms are simple, okay, simple present and simple past. Simple present and simple past, if you can see that, do, did, done, doing. Once again, do, did, done, doing. And one more we have to see that, what is that? In simple present we can find that he does he have? Okay, does he have pen? Yes. So we are asking that, we are inquiring that a person does have a pen or not. He does have pen, yes. So we can say that yes, he has pen. He does have is same equal to has. He does have is equal to has. Yes, my dear. He does have pen is equal to he has pen. Yes, hope you understood. So next one is have forms. Yeah, have forms also very important in this. Next, have, where we can see that the first one is continuous and the second one is simple. Here we have to go perfect. We can see perfect. Have, has, present perfect. Yes, have, has, present perfect. Had, past perfect. The both are carrying in continuous and having. This is different again. Okay, my dear. So primary auxiliaries, does it mean helping verbs are again divided into three types. One is be form, do form, have form. What is in be form? If you can remember, be form, am, is, are, was, were, ing, being. Yes, do, did, done, doing, does. Do family. Next, have family, have, has, had, having. These are. Then the next one is there. What is that? These are called modal verbs. What is that? Modal verbs. Modal verbs are modal verbs. Yes, here you can see that modal verbs. Yeah, here you can see here. Modal facts where we can find in future only. Where we can find? In future we can find. So these are all future verb. So auxiliaries we have learnt verbs. Verbs are completely, again it is divided into two types. One is main verb and another verb is helping verb, and these are different names again, principal verb and lexical verb, and these are helping verb or grammatical verb, auxiliary verb. These are the names for that, another names for that. Here modal auxiliaries we are seeing, and primary auxiliaries are completed. Primary auxiliaries are, does it mean these be forms and do forms and have forms, and here modal auxiliaries are completely belongs to future, future future verbs, so future helping verbs, so that we can see that here can and could, so here may and might, here will and would, shall and should. So can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, are, need, used also will come in the same. Yes, my dear. Need and used to, ought to, already is there. So that these are the verbs we can use regarding the sentence. We can use these words. So from this you are completely learnt what is exactly. Yes, my dear. So I'm feeling that you have a, that you have an idea about verbs and two types of verbs. Then these really helpful for your college grammar, schooling or college grammar. But I want to give you more for this. Okay, my dears. So just wait for my next class. Next, continue the session.